Welcome to another episode of the Scramline Every Day. I'm your host, Nick McCreadies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bruschetta. Bruschetta is a simple and easy classic summer Italian appetizer that, in my opinion, should be on everyone's table. Let's begin with the bread. You can use pretty much any bread you like. I'm going to be using some panna di casa. I'm going to cut it on angles because, I don't know, something about panna di casa, I just like cutting it on angles. You can use a French stick, you can use pretty much anything you like. We're going to place each slice on top of a baking tray. This recipe will serve about 3 or 4 people. So I've got 6 toasts here. We're going to drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil and brush that on both sides. Then you're going to toast this in the oven, or you can toast it in your toaster, although I probably wouldn't recommend doing that because the oil would drip everywhere. So just do it in your oven, I think. Once they're nice and golden, you want to set them aside to cool down. Now, here's a little optional hint if you want to elevate your toast game. Get a little bit of garlic, a garlic clove, and just brush it on top of each toast. It just adds extra flavor. I think one of the stars of the show, other than the tomato, is the fresh basil. So pick off a whole bunch of basil, chop it up finely. For the tomatoes, you can use any fresh tomato you like. I'm using little truss tomatoes because they're really sweet, but you can use 4 large tomatoes. You don't need to worry about de-seeding these. It does get a little bit juicy, but that juice actually adds to the experience of bruschetta. I'm going to finely chop up 1 garlic clove. And I'm going to add some red onion, which I'm also going to finely chop. Add the tomatoes, red onion, some basil, garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, and if you like, some balsamic vinegar, and mix it all up. And then it's as simple as just putting it on top of your toast right before it's ready to serve. And this is, honestly guys, if you've never had bruschetta, it is so simple. But again, it's the simple things in life that are so delicious. If you want to grab the recipe for this, it's on my website, scramline.com. Link for that is in the box below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to start filming new recipes in February, end of February. So leave your comments down below letting me know which other recipes you'd like to see me make, maybe some more Italian recipes. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scramline Every Day.